Hi, this is Paul, N1BUG, back with the second tour of beverages I'm going to do today. I just did the northeast to southwest, and now I'm going to do the southeast to northwest beverage. This antenna used to be about 50 feet longer than it is now. It used to attach to a big 80-foot tree that was right out in here somewhere. But 2 years ago there was a landslide here, and a considerable section of this riverbank, about 150 feet long and about 150 feet long, broke away with about 20 trees and slid into the river. So the 80-foot tree is not even visible here anywhere. It's completely gone, along with my beverage box and the ground rod that was in the soil at the base of the tree. There's a lot of trees you can see here, but these are not the one. It was much bigger than any of these, and it's just gone. So anyway, getting back on subject here, somewhere over here, if I can find it, is the end of this beverage. This is the southeast end. There's a reflection transformer there and the insulator. And this beverage goes off this way to the northwest. And let's see if I'm going to be able to get down through here. Usually I walk around some of this. There's a good view of an insulator. There used to be flagging tape on these. That's what the pink stuff is, and I need to get out here and remark these. One of the conditions of me having them on this parcel of land is that I have to keep them marked so they can be seen in case anybody's out in here for some reason. So I've got to redo these very soon because the flagging tape is in very rough shape, what's left of it. So walking along here toward the northwest, and gotta find a way through here. Yeah, always fun. So there's the beverage, still up there. We're still on track here. Down into a bit of a gully here, and there with the yellow flagging tape is the east-west beverage crossing just underneath the one that we're following. And also with the other yellow flagging tape there is the north-south beverage crossing under the one that I'm following. The one that I'm following has the pink flagging tape up there. And still heading northwest here and uphill. Definitely uphill. Yep. Okay, now there's the feed point. Now this is a center-fed reversible beverage, and center feeding a 2-wire reversible beverage is actually quite easy to do. It's a little different arrangement than the end feed, but there's the center feed arrangement of this one. I did this because it's much more convenient. This is the closest point to my shack and other antennas and towers and so on. So, continuing on. Yep, through here. Northwest we go. Still going uphill. Now again, as you can see, there's it's not an open field here. There's plenty of forest and debris and trees of all sorts, which regularly fall on these antennas. These are high maintenance. They get damaged a lot by falling trees. If it's not the weather, it's the beaver. But one way or the other, they take a lot of abuse. And I have to come out here and fix them. So, where am I? Here we are. Yep, still more or less under the beverage up there. Going down through another little small gully here and back up the other side. And I'm going to detour to the side of this antenna just a little bit. Make it easier on myself. Somewhat easier, anyway. So here we are, approaching the northwest end of this beverage. And going downhill. There's quite a downhill grade here, but the beverage stops partway down. So there is the northwest end box with a reflection transformer. On a center feed beverage, you have reflection transformers at both ends, and the feed is in the center instead of the feed at one end and one reflection transformer at the other end. So there's the beverage tour for today. Two of them for you. They do work despite the area in which they're installed. Thanks for watching.